So I'm cutting some dovetails for a project, and I always use a dovetail alignment board like this one here. I did a video on how to make this, but I didn't really show how to use it. And I wanted to show you why they're so important and what they can do for you in cutting dovetails. For me, I think it's one of my top 3 ways to be more accurate is with a dovetail alignment board. I also have some that I'm making that will be on my website. I'll talk about those in a little bit, but first let's go into how to use one of these. So a dovetail alignment board is very simply 2 pieces of wood that are 90 degrees to each other with a fence, and the fence needs to be perfectly coplanar, meaning the 2 fences are in a perfect line, which is going to allow you to get a perfect reference edge on the side of your board. Now the way it works is you lock the vise in with your board here, and then you put your other piece on top here. And then you, with your vise locked in, this now is free to roam, but you can always find out exactly where you were and use it with your marking knife. So let me show you how that works. So what you do, you take your dovetail alignment board, open your vise up large enough for both your board and your dovetail alignment board. I have 2 pieces here, B and B, on my box. The side you're marking to, in this case my tail side, goes in the board and gets locked up right against that fence. So that's a really important part, is that it's locked up right against your fence. So I'm just going to verify that, and I'm just going to attach my vise very lightly just to kind of keep it in place, verify that my fence is in the right place. And I'm simply going to take my joining board and press down and make sure that they're perfectly flush to each other, and then I'm going to lock my vise in place. So now what that means is that this board is able to reference back with this. And so when you go to mark out your pins, you just take something flat like your marking knife, butt it up against, make sure everything's flush, and simply mark out your pins. This is the beauty of a dovetail alignment board. Let's say I slipped or I came out here. It's really simple to just go back to where I was before because of this reference fence here. So I can just go back, find my location. Even if you want, you could use your marking knife, put it in the line, make sure you're in the right place using that fence, and then continue to mark out the rest of your pins and tails. You can see these lines here are perfect with your tails. So dovetail alignment board is so beneficial. I highly recommend you make one. But if you want, to have them for sale on my website for 12 bucks. I make them on the CNC. Let me show you those. So here's the CNC dovetail alignment boards that I'm making here, and they come flat packed like this. If you're getting a dovetail board, I highly suggest you get one. They're 12 bucks. And let me show you how to put them together. But what makes these awesome is because they're modeled in Fusion and cut with a computer, everything is just perfect. You clamp them together, they're 90 degrees. These fences are perfectly coplanar, which is the absolute critical part of putting together a dovetail alignment board, is that these fences are coplanar. And so the way that you put them together, it's very simple. There's 2 sides. There's a side that has a 1/8 inch round over on it. That's the outside. Remember, the side you're going to touch, the 1/8 inch round over, is the outside. And then the inside has these rounded edges on the box joints. So you can see they're rounded here. So this only fits one way. Those rounded corners go into the rounded part there, just like that. And then the act of clamping them up is going to bring this into square. And honestly, if it's out of square a degree or so, you didn't mess it up. That's not really going to affect anything. So what you do, very simply, is you take some glue, just spread it with your fingers, make sure it gets in there everywhere. And then same thing on this one. Just a little bit in there, a little bit in there. Spread it around. And then you just take these, put them together like that. And then what I like to do is I take my clamps. So I just grab each box joint and then alternate to the next box joint here. So then you've got everything glued up like that. I'll get rid of the excess glue because you don't want to have to try and sand it off later. And then I'll make sure to check it for square. And again, like I said, if it's out a degree or 2, that's fine. When you clamp it, it's going to cause itself to pretty much be square no matter what. You can't really screw that up. So you're gonna let that dry, and then we'll take that out of the clamps, put on the fences, and sand it up and throw some lacquer on it. Okay, and that just ensures that there's no glue or anything that left it unflush. And then you're gonna take your fences and very simply, and they fit just perfectly. And where you put them really doesn't matter, as long as they obviously don't interfere with each other, but they're coplanar no matter what. And so what I like to do is I'll just take some wood glue and clamp them on. For the sake of video production though, I'm gonna super glue them on real quick. And then, as you can see, those are perfectly coplanar. So when I touch it on this fence, it's also touching the other fence. And that is what's really important about a dovetail alignment board, and why it's so great that these are cut on the CNC, because that is what makes you more accurate with dovetails. I mean, that's really, really, really important part of these. So again, guys, dovetail alignment boards, the most useful thing you can have when you're cutting dovetails. They really make marking your tail location to your pin board so much easier. It makes you so much more accurate. So here's the finished one with lacquer on it. You can go over to my website. There'll be a link down in the description and get these. They're very cheap, and if you're new to dovetails, I highly recommend them because they can really help you in accuracy. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe in the shop and have a wonderful day.